Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about neck pain. I get a lot of people in my office who are complaining of neck pain. Many of us work in a stationary job where we're sitting at a computer all day, or even if we're standing, we're in a stationary position and don't move much. Our head might be down or in some weird position, and it can cause pain at the base of the neck or even at the base of the skull. That's separate from headaches, which we mentioned before. The treatment, though, can be a variety of things that need to be addressed. Sometimes it's a postural or positional issue, like I talked about with headaches, that it could be the position of your sternum and the position of your rib cage and your shoulder blades. Those we can work on, and a lot of it takes awareness training and learning how to relax the sternum, relax the ribs, get the rib cage back into neutral so you're not hinging off your low back, which changes the way the stresses are placed on your neck. Sometimes we're not even aware of the position of our trunk, and muscles right underneath your collarbone become very tight. And when you learn to release those muscles, it can release your neck in the front here. Other places that you want to think about releasing are your pecs and your lats, and having them relax a little bit so it decreases some of the strain going up higher into the back of your neck. Sometimes a person doesn't know how to reach correctly, which we talked about in a previous episode, and they don't have activated their triceps, and sometimes people do need lats to be activated so that they're not overusing their upper traps that creates stress on their neck. Another source of issues is this jaw. We like to clench our jaw when we are stressed, and we like to clench it at night because we don't know how to fully calm down and sleep, and so these muscles in our jaw become very strained, and they're connected to our neck as well. And so when these muscles are pulling tight, it can pull on our neck and head and create a strain at the base of our skull. So if you're having neck pain, consider looking at the position you put yourself in on a daily basis. Consider where the position of your rib cage is, and like last week's episode, are your muscles, your intercostal muscles between your ribs, are they tight? Do you have restrictions in your rib cage, or is it very mobile the way it should be? Most of us are very rigid in our ribs and in our sternum, and that affects our neck. Lastly, look at your muscles and find out where you have those knots. Most of us have these knots here, and if we just relax the sternum in and learn a few tricks with moving our rib cage, those knots will go away. And you don't need to get dug in on those muscles by a massage therapist every week when you learn some positional changes and sensing relaxation. So, if you are still having trouble, please reach out. I would love to help you out with a virtual session, or you can come in here to the office. Either way, I'd love to help out, or if I can answer a simple question, I'd like to do that as well. If you have other questions you want to see answered on one of these videos, please let me know. I have a whole list I'm going through, and we will keep going with these. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye.